Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to make a Barbie inspired cuff, and I have a couple shades of pony beads, pink ones. I have a light and then a glow in the dark. I also have white and some glitter clear. And then this is optional, but I'm going to add these specialty. Is that going to focus? Stars and hearts. I don't know. I think it's so shiny it doesn't want to. And I'm going to add this charm, Barbie charm. And this is from 1999. There's a little date at the bottom if you... I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is. Oh, and I thought it would be fun to share these. These were from my childhood. I know I've talked about my grandma on this channel before, and she was a Barbie collector, and I also loved Barbies when I was growing up. And this is from 94, and it's a little bowl. I think it's cute in this little mug. So adorable. Oh, and you're also going to need a few feet of string. I think I'm going to start with 3 feet, and you can add more if you need it. I also have a needle, and that's optional too. But we're going to start with the base. Okay. Let's start with 3 glow in the dark. Gonna add 1 white. 3 light pink. And white. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth with the 2 shades of pink. So we're gonna add, oh goodness. We're gonna add 3. Okay, this is what it looks like. So we did this 4 times. So you should have 4 of each shades of pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to stop the video and get all your beads on there, and then you can tie the short and long end together. And you can cut the small end off. And what you're going to do is you want this knot back here. So you're going to pull the string down. And we're going to add the needle on. And like I said, this is optional. And for our pattern, we're just going to look across, which we're coming out of this white bead. And we're going to put the glow-in-the-dark pink. We need 3 of them. And you're going to go through the middle white bead. Same thing with the light pink. And we're always going to go through the white bead. Okay, this is the last set. So this time we're going to go through the white and these 2 pink right here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And for this row, we're going to switch up the pattern and the colors. We're going to add 2 of these glitter, 1 white, and then 2 glitter. And this time we're going to go through the middle of the pink beads. Needle fell off. Okay, now we need to go through these two pink and down these two pink because we need to get on the other side to do the same pattern. So we went up those two pink. Well, first let me show you what this looks like. Should look like this. Okay, so once you go through these two here, we're going to go down these two. So you want to come out of that middle pink. And now we can just flip this over. And we're going to add the same colors and pattern on this side. And you're always going to go through the middle pink bead. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then I'll be back to show you guys the next step. Okay, I'm at the end here. I have my last set. We're going to go through the middle pink, the two clear, and the white. Okay, now this is what it should look like. Now for our pattern, we're going to add a glow-in-the-dark, a light pink, a heart, light pink, and glow-in-the-dark. And we're coming out of this white here. We're going to go at an angle to this white. Okay, now we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through all of these beads here to get to that white. Now this time, we're going to add a star in between. And we're going to go at an angle here through the white. Okay, so we're coming back around through the white, two clear, the pink, pretty much all these outside beads here until you get to that white. Okay, we're back to the heart. We're going to go through this white. And then again, we're going to go through all these outside beads to get to that next white. So that's what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're back to the star. And we're going to go through the white, all these outside beads till you get to the white. Okay, we're going to go across to this white. Whoops. Oh my gosh. I skipped one. Well, now you know what it looks like when you skip the white bead. Okay. This one. Let's try that again. Go through all those beads. This needle just doesn't want to stay on today. Yeah, and if you don't have hearts or stars, you can use, you know, whatever you have on hand. Okay. So this, I went through that white and these two clear. I'm going to go ahead and make a knot so this doesn't get loose before I add the charm. But then I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, where are we coming out? Okay, what I'm going to do is go through these two pink. And I want to add a clear and the charm, and then another clear. And I'm going to go through these two pink here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and tie this off. So if you're going to add a charm, go ahead and add one. If not, where we tied off the first time, you could just make that the bracelet without a charm. Okay. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.